Mr. President, inflation is on the rise. Unemployment is in the increase. Yet we have a budget that have nothing for the poor masses of this country. I challenge the proponents of the 2019 budget. I challenge those who support everything presented by the executive to tell me where in the 2019 budget has any provision been made for the Talakawas? Where in the 2019 budget is there any provision for the have-nots, the unemployed, and the poor masses of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Mr. President, as I speak, there is no longer foreign investment in Nigeria. And I announce to you, Mr. President, with all these indices and yardstick, by the end of May, except there is a miracle, dollar will rise to 500 naira to $1. Because we have depleted our foreign reserve, we are a chartered borrowing nation. Mr. President, upon the announcement of Muhammadu Buhari as the winner of the election.
Point of order, Senator.
Mr. President, my name is Barao Jibrin. I represent Kano North. Mr. President, I come under Order 53, Rule 7, and with your permission, I read. It shall be out of order to use offensive and insulting language. Mr. President, I want you to draw the attention or to call Senator Dino to order not to use insulting and offensive language while making contribution on the floor of the Senate. He said that the federal government is hypocrite, and he said the federal government is telling lies, and now he said we are a borrowing nation, insulting the entire country. Insulting the entire country. So please call him to order to stop using. Please call him.
All right. Thank you very much. Distinguished Senator, just keep the argument to the issue of the budget. I don't see. Carry on.
I'm not discussing my family problem. It's the budget we are discussing.